Hello. Today I'm going to talk about my daily routine. I follow a pretty regular schedule every day, and it helps me stay organized and productive. Firstly, my day starts early in the morning. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. After waking up, I brush my teeth and wash my face to freshen up. Then I head to the kitchen to have breakfast. I typically eat cereal with milk and a glass of orange juice. Breakfast is important to me because it gives me energy for the day ahead. After breakfast, I get ready for the day. I choose my outfit, which usually includes comfortable clothes since I have a busy day ahead. Once I'm dressed, I pack my bag with all the things I need for the day, such as my wallet, keys, and phone. Next, I head out for work or school. I usually take the bus or drive, depending on the distance. During the commute, I like to listen to music or podcasts to relax and prepare for the day. When I arrive at work or school, I start by checking my schedule and to-do list. I prioritize my tasks and get started on the most important ones first. Throughout the day, I take short breaks to stretch and recharge. At lunchtime, I take a break to eat. I either bring a packed lunch from home or grab something from a nearby cafe. It's a nice break to relax and chat with coworkers or classmates. After lunch, I continue with my tasks until the end of the workday or school day. Once I'm done, I head back home. Back at home, I unwind by watching some TV or reading a book. It's my time to relax and recharge after a busy day. For dinner, I either cook a meal at home or order takeout. I enjoy trying new recipes and experimenting with different cuisines. After dinner, I spend some time with my family or roommates. We might watch a movie together or play board games. Before bed, I take a shower to freshen up and get ready for sleep. I also like to do a bit of reading or listen to calming music to help me relax and unwind. Finally, I go to bed around 10 o'clock. I make sure to get enough sleep to feel rested and ready for the next day. And that's a typical day in my life. Thank you for listening.